All right, I'm back at Lowe's. Check out the deals they have going on for this time of April, and they got some good ones to uncover for you guys. I'm going to start off with an awesome deal on the Craig Foreman. And if you've seen my previous haul video where I picked this Craig Foreman up for 250, well, they actually have a better price on it now, and it's at 199, and it was 349. If you can get your hands on that Craig Foreman for 200 bucks, that's going to be an insane deal on it. And I happen to be within that 30-day time period where I am going to be able to go back and get $50 credit because of that. So awesome deal at 199. All right, the next good deal is going to be on the DeWalt 13-inch thickness planer. The deal price is at 549. It was 769, so saving 220 bucks on that. And they have a couple other planer deals. They have the Cobalt 13-inch thickness planer. It's a 15 amp one, and that's going to be priced at 349. It was 499, so saving 150 bucks on that. Then they have the Craftsman version. It's a 12.5-inch one. This is 249. It was 379. And they have a deal on the Skill 10-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. I've heard good reviews from you guys when I showed a deal on this before, and it said it's a pretty solid saw. And it does look like it is. It even includes a clamp to hold down your different work pieces that you're cutting. So this deal price is saving 30 bucks. It's 249. And for any of these items, I will try to put links down in the description below. Sometimes not all the links are available from Lowe's and Home Depot when I do those, but I will have them down in the description below, and they are affiliate links, and it does help support the channel, and I do really appreciate that support. It does not cost you any more money either. And the next deal is going to be on the 12-inch DeWalt single bevel compound miter saw. That's going to be priced at $299, saving 50 bucks. And how about a deal on the corded 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw from DeWalt? The deal price is $449, and it was $629. It's an excellent deal on this saw. This is the one without the cut line system, just so you know. And they have another deal on a Metabo HPT 12-inch compound miter saw. It does have the exact cut LED line to it. And the deal that they're having right now, this saw is currently on a deal price at $249, and it was $329. But when you buy this miter saw, you do get a free HPT aluminum adjustable miter saw stand. And this deal, you do have until May 6th for that. So you have some time on it. It's going to be an excellent deal, especially at $249. You're getting a free miter saw stand with it. And they're running an awesome deal on the Bosch 12-inch dual bevel compound miter saw. This is the sliding one, or the gliding one. This is an awesome saw, and I've never seen a deal price this low before. Priced at $499, and it was $729, so saving 230 bucks on this saw. That's pretty incredible in my opinion. Awesome tool and awesome deal. So might be worth a pickup if you've been in the market for this saw. And it has a 15 amp motor, and it's a 4-inch by 14-inch max cut capacity at 3,800 RPM, and it weighs 88 pounds. It's a pretty solid saw, and it does come with a clamp too. You can swing it around and clamp down on your pieces that you're cutting. That's pretty nice. For 500 bucks, that's crazy. They're still on a deal on a DeWalt 8.25-inch portable table saw. The deal price is at 369 bucks. It was 429. I don't know when the deal ends, but it is a good deal on it, saving the 60 bucks. And they have the same deal as Home Depot's having on the 10-inch job site table saw with the folding stand with the wheels, and that is priced at $599, saving 100 bucks. The thing that's nice about the 10-inch job site saw is that this one does have a max rip capacity of 32.5 inches, and it has a rack and pinion fence to it as well. And if you're going to be picking up one of those miter saws, they do have a deal on a miter saw stand by Delta. It's one that folds up and you can wheel it around. This is going to be very similar to the rigid one that I always talk about. There is a difference though. The rigid one does have larger wheels to it. The deal pricing on this Delta one is priced at $199. That's saving 40 bucks. If I'm not mistaken, it's probably actually made by the same company as the rigid one. It is a good deal, 200 bucks on this stand, which I think the rigid one is priced around the same amount, $199 if I'm not mistaken. I'll have links to both stands in the description below so you can check them out. If you're gaining any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Help the channel reach the goal of the 50,000 subscriber mark that we are trying to reach. And when the channel reaches that goal, I'm going to be giving away 5 of the Icon Mean 2.0 toolkits to help the channel get to that goal. And I really do appreciate that support. Let's move to the next deal. And they're running a pretty good deal on the Klein Tools 20-in-1 impact driver set. It's a 5-inch one. It's impact rated. These are all the bits that it includes, as well as the sockets there on the flip sockets. It stores all the bits on the inside of the handle, which is awesome. I definitely recommend picking up one of these. I have one myself and it's been great. It's nice and handy to have all these different sockets on hand. Of course, they are SAE, so it's mostly good for working on stuff around the house and putting stuff together. So again, it has all these different bits and Torx bits in the sockets. So it's a pretty good setup right there to have everything on one tool, and they are magnetic as well. So the deal price on it is at 30 bucks and you're saving 10 on it because it is normally priced at 40. And just to give you an example here, they have another one right next to it that's also priced at 40 bucks as a normal price. And this one does not come with as many bits into it because it has just a few of the sockets and then it has these bits. And again, that's priced at 40 bucks. So definitely a much better deal for 30 bucks to get all those sockets and then bits as well. And to further prove that it's a good deal, they have just the sockets by itself with one bit of the Torx 25. So it's a 7-in-1 impact flip socket set. So no handle is included, and that's priced at 21 bucks. So additional 9 bucks, and you're getting the handle with all those other bits. That's gonna be an awesome deal on it. And they have deal pricing on the Klein Tools Flip 10 Deep Well Heavy Duty socket set. They're also impact rated. And it comes with these different sockets to it from the 1/4 inch up to 13/16 of an inch. And that deal price is saving 10 bucks, so it's only 40. And they have deal pricing on the Klein Tools 28-piece Essential Connect pass-through impact socket set. It also includes a handle and then the pass-through ratchet, so you can put the different sockets in. So it's a pretty well-rounded kit. It also includes the SAE sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch, and even metric from 8mm to 17mm. So this would be a nice versatile kit to have. And that's priced at 80 bucks. It was 99, so saving 20. And they have deal pricing on the Bosch router. It's a fixed base router. It has a little wood knobs to them. And that deal price is at 169. It was 219. And they have some deal pricing on different Metabo HPT tools, the cordless ones on the 18 volt. In particular, they have the 18 volt 4.5-inch angle grinder. That's on a deal price right now of 99 bucks. It was 179. And they also have a good deal on the oscillating tool, the HPT. It's the brushless one. That's priced at 89 bucks. It was 139. And they even have deal pricing on the HPT 18 volt reciprocating saw. That's priced at 99 bucks. It was 139. And the next deal they have is on the 7.25-inch circular saw. That's priced at 119. It was 169. And they have a pretty good deal on the DeWalt 7.25-inch corded circular saw. It's a 15 amp motor and it weighs 8.8 pounds and the deal price is 135. It was 169. And they have a pretty good clearance deal on a Bosch line and point laser level, which are out of stock now at this store, but the clearance price is $32.47 and it was 60 bucks. This is what it looks like right here. So maybe your store might have it on clearance too. But it does seem that each store is different with their clearance items, so might be worth a shot though at your store. And the next deal is going to be on the Bosch 1/2-inch brushless impact wrench with the friction ring. It is tool only, and that's priced at 89 bucks. It was 179. And then they also have a deal on the Bosch 18 volt starter kit with a 4 amp hour battery for 89 bucks. It was 159. Again, they don't have it in this part of the store, but that is an excellent deal for only 89 bucks. And they have a pretty good deal on the Bosch of the Bear Tool jigsaw. That's priced at 89 bucks. It was 129. And they also have a deal on the Bosch 165-foot laser measurer. That deal price is 89 bucks. It was 119. And I wanted to give you a friendly reminder on the BOGO deals they are having at Lowe's. They're going to be coming to an end on the 15th, so you have just a few days left, depending on when you're watching this, of course. But this one in particular on the DeWalt deal, you basically have your selection of these DeWalt tools you have to buy, and then you can get a free 5 amp hour battery, which is a 169 value. So again, you have until April 15th, just a few days left. And then the good Bosch deals will be coming to an end on the end of the month on April 30th. And just to remind you what it is, you have two different options from Bosch when you buy the two 4 amp hour battery starter kit for $219. You have these options as a free tool, and then the best value you're going to get for free is going to be on the Palm router. That's a 229 value. So an excellent deal there for only $219 to get one of those items for free. And the next one is going to be buying the 8 amp hour battery with the charger for $239. Then you get your options of one of these tools for free. And that best bang for the buck is going to be on that 1/2-inch impact wrench. It's a $299 value. It is a crazy deal from Bosch. And if you're on the market for like the impact wrench, it's definitely a good one. And it's very powerful. And to get this for only $239, which is a $300 tool for free, That's pretty incredible, which this impact wrench offers 740 pounds of max fastening torque and 1180 pounds of bolt breakaway torque. So this next deal on the 20-volt DeWalt miter saw, that's the saw they just came out with this last year. And they had the deal where you could buy that saw and you get the free 8 amp hour power stack battery with the fast charger. It's a $289 value you're getting for free. Well, I want to thank a friend of the channel named James. He gave me the heads up on this deal because right now in the store and online they have it priced at $499, so it's saving an additional $200. So for $500 right now, you could pick up that saw and still get that XR 8 amp hour battery and fast charger for free. It's an incredible deal. And in fact, when he let me know about the deal, it was currently online for $449, which I did pick that up. I had to pick it up today while I'm here at Lowe's, and they quickly raised it $50 to $499. So maybe they had a glitch to begin with, but at $500 for this saw with that battery and charger, it's an awesome deal on it. This 20-volt saw does have the cut line system to it, so it has the LED light that highlights the work surface where the blade's going to be cutting. So it's definitely well equipped, just like the other dual bevel 12-inch miter saws are. And it's going to be more versatile in the sense you're going to be able to just use a battery and use it wherever you need to without having to have an extension cord running to it. And here are the Craftsman deals. It's also coming to an end on April 15th, and it's going to be your choice for $99. You can get any of these tools or battery starter pack or the 6 amp hour battery. So again, your choice of $99. You're saving up to $90 depending on which one you go with. But again, you have until April 15th for these deals. And another deal that they're coming to an end soon is going to be on the Cobalt ones. And they had the different tiers of the $79, $99, and $129. So different options there of which tool you want to go with. These are also coming down on April 15th. So just a few days left. So you have your options there for $79, and here are your options for $99. And then the options for $129, which these are going to be kits that include a battery and charger with the $129. So definitely some good deals to consider from Cobalt until April 15th. And they've been having off and on some deals on the Craftsman socket sets. So I'll go over some of the ones that they have now. It's going to be on the Craftsman 49 piece of the overdrive set. That includes both SAE and metric. And it's 38 pieces of the 3/8 drive and 11 pieces of other tools, and then the 3/8 drive ratchet and extension, as well as a universal joint. That's priced at $60. It was $99. And another overdrive option is the 121 piece. It comes with 15 pieces of the 1/4 inch drive, 35 of the 3/8, and 15 of the 1/2 inch. Also includes 10 wrenches and then 46 other miscellaneous pieces. And it has the 1/4 inch 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive ratchets. And that's priced at $139. It was $199. Pretty good savings on that. And another deal is on a Craftsman 262 piece in the SAE and metric. It has 72 tooth low profile ratchet included, and the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive ones. Obviously, it's priced at $149, saving $100. And it comes in a nice hard plastic storage case as well. And those are pull out drawers on it. And it even includes 24 wrenches as well. And this case is VersaStack compatible. So if you're in that tool storage platform, you can stack it right on top of that. And one more Craftsman deals on the 298 piece in the SAE and metric sockets that come in both 6 and 12 point sockets. It has 72 tooth low profile ratchet. It even includes some ratcheting wrenches as well in this set, which is 23 pieces of those. 54 of the 1/4 inch, 86 of the 3/8, and 40 of the 1/2 inch drive, and then 95 miscellaneous bits and pieces to it. So the deal price is at $279, saving $110. And they do have a deal on the Cobalt. It's a 65 piece mechanics tool set. It even includes some pliers and then like a screwdriver head. Looks like a couple extensions. Here's all the parts and pieces that it comes with, the different numbers, as well as the bits. That deal price is at $50. It was $66. And they have a clearance deal on the Klein Tools Pocket Laser Level, and it has a magnetic base to it. Here's a picture of what it looks like. And the clearance price is at $20.17. It was $45. It is a red laser, but it's a good deal at $20. And they have a pretty good deal on the Bosch. It's the 2,000 foot dual slope rotary laser. So obviously it has a 2,000 foot range. And the deal price is at $949, and that was $1,200. So you're saving $250 on that. And you have until April 29th for that deal. And here's a look at what that laser looks like. So it's definitely a well capable one, especially at 2,000 feet versus the 1,000 foot one next to it. So this is going to be their top of the line one that they offer for this kind of laser. And it'd be a good time to save the $250 on it. So they're running an excellent deal for a very limited time. It's on the brand new Cobalt 24 volt blower. Comes with a 3 amp hour battery kit. And the thing that's nice about this is that this part here does come off so you can shorten the distance to be able to blow from. So it's a brand new tool to market, and it has a brand new battery that they came out with that charges by a USB-C. So it's an excellent deal right now because it is normally priced at $129, and you'll be able to pick it up for 79 bucks, which is saving 50. That's gonna be an awesome deal right now. And then you do only have until the 13th, so just a couple days based on the time I'm filming this. So just a couple days left on it. Excellent deal there. Save 50 bucks on a brand new tool like that, especially to include that new battery. And they have a pretty good deal on the Cobalt. It's the 40 volt chainsaw. So it's a 14-inch one, and that deal price is at $199. And it was $259, so save 60 bucks on that. And then they have another limited time deal on the Cobalt 40 volt blower, which comes with a 4 amp hour battery. It's rated at 600 CFM at 130 miles per hour. And that deal price is $159, and it was $179, so saving 20 bucks on that. And they have another 40 volt option on the edger. It's a 9-inch edger that's attachment capable as well, so you can switch out the attachments for it. And it's also saving 20 bucks, so it's $129. And other Cobalt deals they have is on a 24 volt Quiet Tech 540 CFM blower kit with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $119. It's saving 30. Then they have the trimmer and blower combo kit for only $179, saving 40 as well. This is what they look like. It does include that 4 amp hour battery and charger, so pretty decent savings there to save 40. Then they have the 24 volt trimmer and blower combo kit with a 3 amp hour battery and charger included. These are going to be smaller trimmer and blower because it is the handheld blower, like the small one, the new one that they just came out with, and that's priced at only $129, saving 50. So that's a good deal on that, because you figure that is the same price of the blower by itself of $129, so decent savings there. Then they have for $119, saving 30, the 24 volt Quiet Tech string trimmer kit with the 4 amp hour battery and charger. Good savings there from different Cobalt options. And with these other Cobalt deals, you do have until the 22nd of the month. And if you're looking to get a Cobalt mower, they have the 40 volt push mower. It's only priced at $349. And with that, you're going to get a free Cobalt 40 volt 4 amp hour battery included. So the kit already does come with a 6 amp hour battery, but you're going to be getting the additional 4 amp hour one for free. And you do have until the 22nd of the month. And they have the brand new 48 volt push mower. So it uses 2 of the 24 volt batteries, and it comes with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries, and that's priced normally at $349, but right now you can save 50 bucks on it. And again, that deal is going to be good until April 22nd. And they even have a deal on another 48 volt option. It's a self-propelled mower versus the push mower that won't be self-propelled. And this one does include 2 of the 6 amp hour batteries, up to a 60-minute runtime, and the 21-inch deck size. It's normally priced at $449, but right now you can save 50 bucks on that. And so it's only $399. And again, you have until April 22nd. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video at Lowe's. If you gain any value from it, I appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos and help me get to the 50,000 subscriber mark so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.